Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of test dogs and their reactions to robotic toys and AI powered entertainment. Imagine a robotic ball zooming across the floor. Watching a dog's instincts kick in is pure joy. Then there's the automated laser pointer, which turns any room into a playground of excitement. Dogs chase that elusive dot with such determination. And let's not forget the AI pet devices that adapt to a dog's behavior, keeping them engaged and mentally stimulated. It's incredible how technology can enhance our pets' lives, providing endless fun while also promoting exercise and cognitive skills. Who knew playtime could be so high tech?